Yeah, we have from Vijayawada, Vizag, Banjarals, and Moinabad.
Mhm.
From four
Others?
Moinabad, Kolkata.
Kolkata. Kolkata, where?
In the Moinabad itself, we have a Kolkata campus.
Okay, great, great. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So thank you. So basically, today's session, before we are moving into the today's session, so I am going to recap the yesterday's class once again. So can you please let me know what we have covered yesterday? I hope everybody is there, right? Yesterday, those who have attended yesterday, I hope everybody is there, right? Am I audible? All of you, you can communicate with me.
You are audible, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
sir, you're audible.
What is AI? Types of full form of AI, artificial
So
intelligence,
what we have
and
completed
three
yesterday,
types
what we
of
have
AI.
learned.
Continuous. What is the full form of AI? It is called artificial intelligence, and three types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. And narrow AI is a specific tab, and general AI is what self-driving. So these are called general AI, and super AI is all 9,000. HCL 9,000.
Have you checked anybody a super AI related super AI examples?
No, sir.
So let's today, yesterday we have discussed on the first one is the introduction of the AI, where we are exactly using and what are the tools that we are using. And the next one is about what exactly that AI is helping the industries as well. So types of AI and all. So we have discussed. Today's topic is prompt engineering. So in this prompt engineering is also one of the biggest domain. I mean, one of the biggest topic and inside of the artificial intelligence. So when we come to the AI, so generative AI, and we have one of the small topic that is prompt engineering. We also can see the prompt engineering jobs are right now the people are adopting in a companies. Okay, so have you heard this word prompt? Yesterday also I think we have discussed on that. Prompt. What is the prompt? Have you heard the prompt word any time, anywhere?
Yes, we heard.
Yeah. What is mean by the prompt?
User gives in user
Yeah, you can.
user generates the means user asks data from.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes.
User is looking for the particular content. So wherever you also can see the input in Python. Python, have you aware of Python? Have you aware of Python? You can see some of the functions are Python, like input and all. So I think like you might using the filling the forms normally, either Google Forms or else Microsoft Forms. When we work registration also, we are using the particular forms, right? So that forms, when we are filling the information, so you are filling the particular form So which call it as prompt. Okay, prompt is nothing but user input. Understand? So we prioritize mainly the this type of prompts engineering techniques to understand the LLM. Okay, so it's basically a conceptual framework. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the how the LLM can understand. LLM means, what is mean by LLM?
Large
Large
language model.
Great. So in this large language models, right now the model is, what is mean by the model? We have discussed yesterday, right? What is mean by the model? Anybody can tell anything. So model is nothing but the brain. Okay, like we have brain, and the machine is also having the brain. So machine is already trained with large number of data sets. Okay, data set is nothing but data, any data, either it is a text data, or else image data, audio, video, anything. Okay, the mainly I can go with the pattern matches in first LLM. So basically mission also can think. So highly how the mission can think, when the people are applying the prompt to the mission, then only the mission will think in large language models. So what type of mechanism here inside is probability and logic. As you know, artificial intelligence missions are logical, and also which is also powerful context oriented. Okay, when you ask any context, okay, write any program syntax, or else write any career advice. I'm studying so and so, please let me know the career advice. So context. And next one is about the generalized, means generally you can ask the question. Okay, it is memorized the specific sentence, and which is max the particular input, and mission can able to understand the techniques. Okay, these we can use this type of mechanism the LLM works. LLM should be think, how can we write the particular prompt, that is very very important. So now we are going to discuss on the anatomy of the prompt. So before moving to that, I'll give the question to you. Okay, um next okay, first one, I'll give the question. Have you, I think you have system with you, right? Hello, I think you have system, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so you can ask normally, what are the technologies are in web development? What are the technologies are in web development? Where you are asking to the LLM, like what we can call it as an assistant, AI assistant. So you are asking the question, the similar question you are asking to the your trainers. So what are the topics are there in web development? What are the technologies and tools are there? You are learning by using of an LMS. I mean that LLMs. So can you please let me know what is the answer you are getting? Just open it. I will give the time. Just open it and write it down. So what are the technologies? What are the tools and technologies are in web development? Are you getting my point? Is it completed, all of you? Have you tried or not? What are the technologies and tools are in web development? Please let me know. I also can get an idea whether you are doing by yourself or not. Are you getting my point? Have you tried? Everybody,
Sir, front-end development.
front end?
తర్వాత side.
Hmm? I didn't get what exactly you are saying.
Sir, front-end development, client side.
Front end development, client side.
Sir.
Front end development, client side. I am asking about web development. What are the technologies and tools are there?
HTML, CSS, JavaScript,
HTML,
and front end. Sir,
HTML,
CSS,
HTML, CSS.
okay.
hello.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
continue.
front end fundament frameworks,
Hmm.
and one more thing, one more point, back end server side. The tools are programming languages
Great.
and back end frameworks,
Okay, sure.
and third step database, SQL and MySQL.
Sure.
No, yes.
Yeah, that's great. So basically, when I go to the prompt, okay, going to the prompt, the mission is already have the knowledge, right? As you know, is mission is having knowledge or not? Is LLM is having knowledge? What can you say? This particular answer. Say yes or no. Is
Yes,
LLM?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So why? Because which is already trained. So let me give an example of chef and recipe. Okay, if you can think about chef, what the work which he is doing in a regular life, what he is doing in regular life, chef in restaurant, he used to
Cooking
cook the,
Around
dishes.
recipes
he's
and
cooked,
ingredients.
yeah, take the ingredients and he cook by himself and he serve like
And
he'll be prepare the
prepare the dishes.
food, okay, dishes and all.
Different types of dishes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it is done by only one chef. So how can I get the particular recipe? So these LLMs are look like a guidebook, okay? So you can see anywhere. So we are referring particular book to learn the knowledge. In the similar way, so for the chef, it is like the bundle of recipes are there. Bundle of recipe, thousands recipe. Let's think about the LLMs is already trained on 1,000 recipes. Which recipes he wants at that particular time, he must ask the particular recipe, right? So in this way, you are applying the prompts in your daily life to get the specific knowledge on the particular question or else particular task. So how the chef is asking the question to the recipe, how he refer the particular recipe book for to check the recipe, In the similar way, you are also asking the question by using of the single prompt to the mission. So how to ask the question, that is very, very important. That is what we are going to learn. How to ask the question. Is it all the questions are same? You are talking with the friend. You might ask the question in a different way, right? If you don't know the
Yes, sir.
answer. And if you are asking to the trainer, you might think about to get the solution and to raise the question in different ways to the trainer, which is not similar. Is it similar to both you are asking to the
No,
trainer
sir.
and then your friend? Say
No,
yes or
sir.
no?
No, sir.
No, right? Why? Because
No.
we are constructing the words, constructing the sentence in this way. So here I am going to give you that anatomy of the prompt. Okay. First one is about, there is one acronym. Okay. RCTO is nothing but RCTO. You just think about it. RTC, right? Normally you are thinking of like you are going by buses and all. So you just think about acronym. The word is to remember the prompts. How can we write the prompts in the particular LLM? RCTO. R means role. Role means who who are you, like in this way you are giving the particular question. Okay, let's take about role means, as you are the web developer, or else as you are my trainer and guide me on what technologies are there in the website development, web development, like this way. So role, first one is R means role. Next one is what in acronym, what I said, RC.
RCT.
TiVo.
R means role, C means context, T means task, O means output. Okay. Do you like reverse engineering? Normally you need output only, but you need to have this all the idea about how to ask the question to the LLM to get the relevant answer. Understand? Everybody, are you aware of this one? Like how can we ask the question in a proper manner to get the solution in one once at a time? Because many people are communicating with each other, but if they are not communicated, we must go to the next another time to ask the same question, right? Say yes or no. When your communication is bad, you might ask the same question in a next time. Is it happened for you previously?
Mm.
All of you,
Okay.
are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you
Okay.
ever, whenever
Yes, sir.
whenever you are facing any problem due to the communication, you might ask double or triple time the same point to your friend, or else might be your trainer and all. So this is happened, like here also we are doing the same. If you are not applying the correct prompt, we are asking the next time on the same prompt, like that, call it as refining the prompt. Refining means till you get the outputs, you are asking the question, but it should not be it should not be done. Okay, it should not be done in a multiple times. So we should learn the technology in a proper manner. First one is about the role. Okay, you should be keep a role, and role is nothing but while you are asking any question, you must use the role from today onwards. Okay. Okay, first one is a role, next one is about the context. So what you are going to ask, what, role means who. Okay, who is asking, whom you asking actually, that one. Context, this one. And next one, task, what should be the main task that you are performing in a LLM actually. Next one is about the output. Okay, so now everybody, you can put the prompt in your LLM, ask the question as a write down as a subject matter expert, because he knows everybody, he knows everything. Like subject matter expert means, as a subject matter expert, you are giving the role first. Are you written in your LLM? Everybody, have you written in your LLM as a subject matter expert? Next one, context. Context, what is the context? Means how to learn the HTML. How to learn the HTML as a subject matter expert. How to learn the HTML. This is the context. Okay, context means what you are going to ask to the LLM. Okay, or else you can also ask what particular topic. Okay, next one, task. Come to the task. How many we have completed till now? How many we are completed? Role we have completed. Next one, context we have completed
Context completed.
as a subject matter expert, and how to
Task
learn the
also.
HTML.
Learn HTML.
Learn HTML. Task means task. So what task we are giving?
Work.
So how to learn the HTML within a week. Within a week. Within a week. Learn the HTML within a week. And give me the step-by-step process. It's an output. Okay, we are giving the simple output that writing about the step-by-step process, how we are going to learn. So as a subject matter expert, what he do? He'll be doing the like how, what are the topics are there in HTML and all, and it is segregated to each and every day, and topics also it will be providing to us. Understand everybody? What are the key points are there in the prompt? What should be, what are the structure? What is the structure? How to write the prompt? Can anyone?
Role, context, task, output.
First one is about
Role.
RCTO, sir. Role.
RCT. Okay, role, context, task, and output.
Content, task, output.
Yeah, can anyone repeat it? Repeat it. What prompt I have said? Prompt.
Role you said as a subject matter expert.
Correct.
Context, how to learn HTML in a week.
Yeah.
Task,
No. How to learn HTML?
yes.
Is the context.
Okay.
Within a week.
Ta-
Week means the task means mainly the task is, if your trainer is mentioned about try to learn the HTML within a week, that is a task, right? If they are,
Yes.
if they give the task, then how can you complete it? You can take the support of the Copilot or else any LLM, large language model. Okay, large super brain. So that brain is giving the relevant question. If you are giving the relevant question, then only we'll get the relevant answer. So what is the next one?
Output.
Output. Step by step process. So did you got the proper answer?
Yeah. Yes.
If you ask normal question like how to learn HTML within a week, there is some difference you can see in both outputs. Okay, you and your friend, you both can sit together, apply the same prompt which I have mentioned right now, RCTO, by following this structural prompt, and without having structural prompt, try to do that. So you can also can see. So you can try by your side what is the particular prompt structure, which we can call it as anatomy of the prompt. Okay, structural prompt also. Anybody having any questions here?
If we want to search any topics, that time we'll use this prompt. No.
Can you come again?
If we want to search any topics in AIs, that time we use this type of prompt. No.
Exactly. Exactly. Whenever you ask any question to the ChatGPT or else LLM, you can interact for the particular exact output. You can get the exact output by using of this particular prompt. So let me share with you some of the examples. You also can write. I wanted to like let's so as a let me give you an example. As a email writer, means you are giving the particular role to the LLM. Okay, you are the email writer. The next one, context is write the email, write the email to send to the particular person, like person name you are mentioning the particular person name. Okay, on this maybe either it is a leave or else either it is a any concern, that is a task that you are giving to the prompt. So as a email writer, write the email to my friend or else to send the wishes to my friend on their birthday party or their birthday. So you are sending the email to the particular person to send the email on his or her birthday party. So this is call it as structural prompt. Okay, you are sending the email to the particular person means we should be aware of what type of prompt that we can apply. I hope you got a good understanding of this subject, right? Can anyone, if you feel like this is not understanding or else it is okay, then we can stop here.
I'm understanding, sir. I'm understood.
Yeah. So basically, everybody, I wanted to share one thing, whether it is a good or bad, you can take. Maybe, definitely, it will be for good only. So when you grasp the knowledge, try to share with others. Okay. Maybe some people are not a first time learners. Might be some people are learned by themselves and learn from others. Might be some people are uh, if they wanted to learn the subject maybe 2 or 3 times or 4 times they are sitting and learning the subject in this all. So helping nature is very important while you are learning, I am saying. Okay. That is like after you are learning, I don't know what you can do, but majorly like group studies are very good for your daily life. So when we are sitting also, we will be learning this type of task. Understand everybody? Can I give one more prompt to you? How can you write the prompt and you can also say that? So first one is how you can, what I can say, yeah, write it down. How to learn the how to learn the Maggie recipe, like Maggie or else anything, the whatever you have, you wanted to make by yourself, write it down. So if you wanted to make particular recipe, what type of ingredients are there, how much time it will take. So we need to get each and every point from the LLM. So what type of prompt that you can add to make the recipe Maggie? Many people are no, right? Maggie, say yes or no. Maybe it's not in you, right? Are you getting my point? Or else you also can take how to make the tea, what type of ingredients are there and all. How can we write the prompt?
How to make
To make the
how to prepare Maggie? Please explain me along with ingredients required.
mm, that much of prompt is not, I think, not required, I think.
Okay. How much more?
So have you clearly, I am clearly mentioned that you do some steps right before you are writing the prompt. Try to implement those. Is it completed, everybody? Please let me know how to write the prompt. How to write the prompts? Please let me know how you written the prompts. Trainers, you also can please check with them whether they are writing or not.
Turn off microphone. Sir, in front we will write how to prepare Maggie.
I am saying last couple of minutes how to apply the prompt. Try to implement those structured prompt to get the answer. Are you getting my point?
Yeah. How to prepare? Yes, yes. How to prepare a medium assembly within 5 minutes with the minimum ingredients. Yeah, in that we covered role, context, task, and output also.
Anybody others? That's good.
I will try once. Implementing a prompt like RCTO. First, we in role we can type that as a uh, food Maggie. Sorry, food make prepare or food maker. So
You can
then,
also chef,
co-
right? You also can write chef.
yes, yes. Comes to context, we'll write how to prepare Maggie. Uh, Comes to task within 5 minutes. So
So what I can get the answer?
it will give output.
What type of output you have get?
Means I'm giving prompt to AI now within 5 minutes how to prepare a Maggie. So it will give step by step to us.
That's great. So anybody done the same like Siri? You did the great work and reminding people. Anybody have any questions on this? So is there any highlight point that you wanted to share right now? Are you learned very the manner that I can explain? I am explaining the topic. Are you understand? Did you got any changes in the prompt? I mean the output that you are referring with. You
Yes, sir.
yeah.
In my writing, changes is there before to compare to before to at present. So before as said no, I'm writing give information what are the content on this image I'm writing. So today you said proper manner how to write the prompt to the AI. So it's good manner, sir. I like it and I'm implementing. So today I'm not in office, so that's why I'm not too practical.
Okay, that's great. So anybody, have you seen your the same thing in your daily, in this particular session? Have you seen any difference? Everybody, have you seen any difference? Remaining only Siri explained. Remaining, can I get any chance?
Sorry for the interruption, sir.
Yeah.
There it will shown my name as Siri now. So my name is Rama Devi. You can call me Rama also.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for confirming.
Yeah, that is also my name, but Rama, call me Rama.
Yeah, that's great. No issues. Thank you.
Thank you.
Remaining people, please, you can talk. Then only you will get the answer, proper answer. Okay. The prompt is also you are talking with the LLM. So how we can talk with the LLM that we are learned? Anybody have any questions? Anybody, please, if you have any questions, please let me know. Are you clear with that topic?
Turn off microphone.
Sir.
Yes, clear with the topic.
Remaining,
Yes,
please.
sir. Yes, sir.
That's great. So let me explain. The next one is about the same. So we have bad prompt and good prompt. Okay. So I hope we have already discussed about the prompt. This prompt we are using for the way we are writing, right? So if you see the any prompt, it is if you are applying into the LLM, might some mistakes are happen while you are writing. Okay, your output is not matched with your what exactly you are looking for. Okay, if the output is in the LLM that is not matched with your expected input. Okay, so again we need to be write the different prompt. Okay, so if you write that particular prompt, then only it will be refine the content and it will be providing the new content to you. Are you getting everybody what I am saying?
Turn off microphone.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but we all call it as refinement. Okay, so refining the particular prompt. So here it is a bad prompts or good prompts are also there. Bad and good. So what is the bad prompt and what is the good prompt?
Good prompt means asking in a proper manner.
That's great. So
Bad prompt means we are up to the point but not clear.
That's true. So basically, as we are learned, without having writing of the role and context, and also the output, and also the what I can say task, okay, are CETO. If you are not written this one, you are just asking, tell me about HTML. Tell me about this one and how to learn that HTML. So this is a bad prompt. Bad prompt means you won't get the proper result. Not, I can say that you won't get the exact information. That call it as a bad prompt. Good prompts is a custom agent prompts, so that LLM can understand when you are writing the question. So this is about all about the AI skilling. Okay, this is completely about the AI skilling. Might be some people yesterday asked the question. I think not sure. He's a trainer or else he's a student, and they're asking about what is MCP and what is RAG and all. So these are the concepts which are very advanced. MCP is nothing but what exactly the MCP is nothing but okay, a multi-context protocol. Okay, so basically we are using the MCPs um, in agents, agentic AI. Agentic AI is a different one. Okay, agentic AI is nothing but to performing the operations to the multiple LLMs. LLMs also can talk. Okay, each and every LLM can talk. Understand? MCP using of model context protocol. We are writing that one. Clear everyone. Those who are asked the question yesterday. And RAG is nothing but retrieval augmented generation. So which is call it as basically RAG is nothing but like a memory of the LLM. You know, I can give you some example. After you are learning the good and bad prompt, I'll give you everybody. I'll just give some basic understanding of the RAG. Have you seen the meta in your WhatsApp?
Yes.
So if you ask any question to the any questions to the particular meta, it only give the answer, but it is not memorize the previous input. Is it right or wrong?
Yes.
Turn off
Right,
microphone.
sir.
It won't remember your before prompt. So if I ask, see, if I ask to the Kiran, okay, hi Kiran, he directly can answer, hi sir, right? Again, if I ask the question, either it is a Chindu or else either it is a Mahadevi, Ramadevi does not give the answer because already I have discussed with the Kiran. So in this way, we are memorizing like the chatbot or else LLM should be memorized the previous prompts. That that concept is call it as RAG, retrieval augment generation. Okay, and if the LLM talks together, the LLM and product, let me tell you, if you ask the LLM and what is the latest news, it will be going into the browser and which can give the proper response to you. Okay, as a news reporter, and generate the latest news for today. Okay, in a in a step by step, in a points, if you ask this one, it will be generate the prompts definitely. And the next one, if you ask the question in the same prompt, after that, what is the tech news? What about the tech news for today's newspaper? If you ask the second question, it is directly, I can say that we are writing the first prompt and the next prompt will be act, and it is also communicating with the same LLM that you are previously linked prompt also can understand this one. Okay, other time, second time you are not need not to mention that all the context, all the role and context and that output and task, it is not required. Okay, that is called it as RAG. Okay, so now I need to be give you one small understanding about of prompt tuning. Okay, prompt tuning. Tuning is nothing but we are correcting the prompt. So we basically we are using like prompting. In the prompting also we must get the proper quality prompt. Okay, which is called it as tuning. So fine tuning, we can call it as fine tuning is nothing but the method is LLM should be work in a performance in a good performance manner. So we are also mentioned that uh, to quality check we are using the fine tuning methodology. Here also RAG we have RAG. I know in also we have like prompt tuning the concept. Okay, understand everybody till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, anything to ask anyone? I think you have like access to your Google, right, in your lab systems.
Yes.
Okay. So if you find any bug is nothing but unwanted expected result. We call it as bug. Debug means to resolve the error, or is to resolve the unexpected error. So that we can call it as debugging. So we have also like prompt debugging. So for accessibility, like whenever we are using the systems, we might get um, some notifications. Is it right? Are you getting my point? While you are working for anything, you might getting some disturbances like in a screen. Okay.
It means notifications on the top, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
While we searching in Google for any particular content, so the time unwanted notification not related to that topic, it will show some notifications.
Yes, yes, which
Yeah.
shown some notifications. So that how can we perform that one as you mentioned last day? You are capturing that particular image and screenshot it and you are putting in the
Yes.
that one, right? So I
Yes.
have
Yes.
remembered. So that we can call it as debugging. Okay, live
Uh,
debugging. So whenever we are asking any of the questions to the AI, might sometimes it may send some notifications. Maybe today's limit is exceeded. Maybe
yeah. Yes.
some images are loading. Is it right?
Yes. Yes.
And one more thing, whenever you writing any of the code, okay, any code, so you can copy that particular code and putting in the prompt and putting inside of the LLM and asking that try to fix that one. Okay, so which is normally we can done by using of this particular LLM, that we can call it as live debugging. Okay, here also we can use the LLM tools. Understand?
Live ERB. I'm not understanding.
Live
E-bugging.
live debugging, debugging,
D.
Debugging.
Okay.
Bug means unwanted result, means error. Okay, it is a
Yes.
terminology in the website. Okay, in website if you find anything it is not working properly, means you are facing some bug. There is a challenge
Mm.
in the feature. So debugging means we are debugging the particular code. Debugging means to fixing the particular code, that we can call it as debugging.
Okay.
So we actually using this prompt to solve the errors, to solve the particular question. So which call it as debugging and all. So we usually using these prompts in a live manner. Okay, this we can call that one. Okay, for accessibility, it is very important to help us to get the proper output. Maybe every time we are asking the questions to the trainer, maybe might you are facing any problem with the code, any problem with the Excel, any problem with the syntax and all. You might asking some lot of questions to your trainer. Your trainer is also a person to understand the question, understand the problem. It is not even you might, if you don't have any patience, might your trainers may struggle at the time. So what I suggest is, whenever you are working on particular topic, you try to use the LLM part. So try to listen them, and also you also can take the help from the LLM to understand and debug the particular prompts. And it is also used for the self learning. Understand everybody? In any way you can able to learn by learning from your trainer, by learning from the any subscription of the course, or else in the YouTube and all. You also can ask the ChatGPT. I can give you one small prompt, a small work to you. I think everybody know YouTube, right?
Turn off
Yes,
microphone.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you open the YouTube, you can see the videos, right? While opening the video. So yeah, you can click
Before
on,
search result.
yeah. If you want to share with others, you are using share button, right?
Yes.
So try to use the share button and copy the particular link and put it in the prompt. Okay. So you don't want to like wait for couple of hours to watch the video. By simple summarization also you can use this particular prompt. So as a summarizer, summarize the YouTube content in a 3 lines. Okay. Or else you can also ask the question. I'll give the time for 3 minutes or else 5 minutes. Try to do that, everybody. Take the YouTube video on HTML, or else personality development, or else any yoga, or else any food, anything. Open YouTube, share the particular video, copy the link, and you directly open the ChatGPT or else Copilot or else Gemini, anything, and write it down as a summarizer. Summarize this YouTube link in a 5 points and paste that link. Are you getting my point, everybody?
Yes.
Have you done?
No, not now. I'm using only phone. I'm not at system. So.
No problem. You can also sorry. You are listening, right? Okay. Anybody have you done? Anyone? Anybody have any questions?
Till now, I'm not having any questions. After this class, I will try it, and again tomorrow I will ask questions if I have anything.
Sure. Reminding people, please let me know remaining students, faculty members, trainers. Trainers is my session is understandable to your students and for you.
Turn off microphone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's informative for us and for students also.
Great.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, it's 100%.
Okay. So whenever you are using the prompt in the AI agent, so that we can call it as LLM, large language model in a terminology, technical terminology, you can don't hesitate to give the particular prompt, utilize the prompt, okay? Utilize the prompting techniques, and you also can share to the techniques to the people that who required and all. And I think many people are submitted the particular that form yesterday, so I have seen good responses. And I think one of them is not mentioned that which is like some of the techniques. So I think I hope I today I have resolved your queries. Those who are mentioned very uh, some low ratings. Am I corrected it? So I hope you are understand.
Yes, sir, you're right. You're corrected my writing.
Remaining students, you also can mention anything. I also feel happy on this particular matter. Some people are mentioned Telugu also. Sir, Telugulo రా చెప్పండి అని అంటున్నారు. సో ఐ థింక్ మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ మిక్స్డ్ రైట్. తెలుగులో చెప్తే మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళకి మిక్స్ అయిపోతుంది అని చెప్పలేదు. అండ్ సో అండ్ చాలా మందికి ఏంటంటే లైక్ లెట్స్ హియర్ we are also using the AI in a regular life, and also some people might having the Alexas also in their particular homes, okay? While you want to ask any questions to the AI, it will be providing the information. So that devices you are putting inside of the AI devices, so that we can call it as edge AI. Edge AI, okay? So just for the learning only, I'm just mentioning this one, okay? So I think today we have learned a lot of topics on prompting. So this is about the module 3. So let's do from third day, from tomorrow. We are going to understand about the web development related topics, okay? So how can we create the websites by using of web, and how can we learn the website development by using of the AI? Clear, everyone?
Turn off microphone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll mention from the yesterday regarding, because we are learning the technology. You also can learn the technology by using of AI within a fast manner. Okay, definitely it will be provide the good outcome. Shall we wind up?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for today's session. That it brings a lot of ideas. I think it's hope everybody enjoyed the session, and we can see a lot of knowledge and we can learn by tomorrow also. Let's end up now. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. We'll see tomorrow.
Microphone on.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Show of turn microphone.
You can drop off.